The case study is fundamental test starting from AST1 up to AD16, right? So every single competition of the European Union and of the whatever international organization or companies, every single selection process will have a written test. Good. Now, the written test can come in three forms. Number one is the case study, which is the one that we will do today. And this means that you have a file which in theory is not in a domain of competence, right? And then based on that file, you have to create a briefing or a speech. Let's say rather a briefing, which is the fundamental responsibility that you have as an administrator, even though for the Parliament of the Committee of Region or blah, blah, sometimes they ask for a speech, right? But it's not typically. Typically, it's a briefing, note to the file, report, something like that, right? Because the speech writing, it's much more specific. It's like a communication responsibility. So yes, for probably communication competitions, but for administrator competition, that is not necessarily the case.